Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by profiling Chrome so you know where memory goes. Open Chrome Task Manager with Shift+S and watch which tabs or extensions use the most RAM. That tells you what to target first. Once done, suspend or close non-essential tabs to free immediate memory and make a quick new profile if your current one looks bloated or corrupted. This isolates settings and extensions. Make sure to keep this profile open while you troubleshoot further. You now focus on extensions because they often leak memory. Go to Chrome, //extensions and disable everything not essential, then re-enable them one at a time while observing Task Manager. This pinpoints the offender. Once identified, remove or replace it with a lighter alternative, or restrict it with site-based permissions to reduce background activity. Also make sure to clear extension data if an extension has stored large caches. That often reduces RAM pressure without losing functionality. You finish by adjusting settings and applying final fixes. Toggle hardware acceleration in settings. Some systems benefit, others get worse, so test which state reduces memory. Clear browsing data selectively, focusing on cached images and site data for the heavy sites you noted earlier. This lowers memory and speeds things up. If problems persist, update Chrome, reset settings to defaults, or reinstall the browser. Troubleshooting tip: run with all extensions off and a fresh profile. If memory drops, add items back slowly to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.